Have you ever struggled with self-discipline or wished you could strengthen your willpower? What if there was a spiritual practice that not only brings you closer to Allah, but also builds mental resilience and control over your desires? In Islam, fasting is more than just abstaining from food and drink. It's a powerful tool for self-mastery, mindfulness, and patience, benefits that extend far beyond the month of Ramadan. Whether it's voluntary fasting on Mondays and Thursdays, or other Sunnah fasts, this practice can transform your mind and elevate your faith. Ready to discover how fasting builds mental strength? Let's explore. Fasting is a profound act of worship in Islam, designed to purify both the soul and the mind. It's not just about refraining from food and drink, it's about exercising control over desires, building self-awareness, and nurturing a deeper connection with Allah. The Quran emphasizes the purpose of fasting. O you who have believed, decreed upon you is fasting as it was decreed upon those before you, that you may become righteous. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:183. This verse reminds us that fasting is a means to achieve taqwa, God consciousness. But along with spiritual growth, fasting trains the mind to overcome impulses, develop discipline, and stay focused on what truly matters. Think about it. When you fast, you resist hunger, thirst, and other desires for hours, solely for Allah's sake. This act strengthens your willpower, teaching you to prioritize long-term goals over temporary satisfaction. It's a powerful reminder that you are capable of controlling your actions, even in challenging circumstances. Fasting is a mental and spiritual reset, offering clarity and discipline that carries over into every aspect of life. By practicing fasting regularly, you unlock its potential to refine your character, enhance your resilience, and deepen your faith. Fasting is one of the most effective ways to train your mind and build mental resilience. Here's how this powerful act of worship sharpens your mental strength. Building willpower. When you fast, you actively resist basic urges like hunger and thirst, needs that are essential for survival. Yet, by controlling these desires for the sake of Allah, you strengthen your willpower. Each time you successfully fast, you prove to yourself that you're capable of self-discipline. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Fasting is a shield." Bukhari, Muslim. This shield protects you not just from physical indulgences, but also from impulsive decisions and negative behaviors. Enhancing focus. Fasting encourages mindfulness. As you refrain from food, drink, and harmful speech, you become more aware of your actions and intentions. This heightened awareness helps you focus on what truly matters, your relationship with Allah and your inner growth. Developing resilience. The physical discomfort of fasting, feeling hungry, thirsty, or tired, teaches patience and perseverance. When you endure these challenges without complaint, you build resilience that can be applied to other difficulties in life. The Quran reminds us, "Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account." Surah Az-Zumar 39:10. Fasting transforms challenges into opportunities for growth. It trains your mind to see temporary struggles as a path to lasting rewards. By practicing fasting regularly, you develop a mindset of discipline, focus, and resilience that helps you face life's challenges with confidence and faith. Fasting is not limited to Ramadan. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, practiced and encouraged voluntary fasting throughout the year as a means of strengthening faith and self-discipline. These fasts are not just acts of worship, but also tools for building mental resilience. Sunnah fasts, recommended by the Prophet, Mondays and Thursdays. The Prophet regularly fasted on these days, saying, "Deeds are presented to Allah on Mondays and Thursdays, and I love that my deeds be presented while I am fasting." Tirmidhi. These days are ideal for creating a weekly rhythm of discipline and self-reflection. The white days, Ayyam al-Bid, fasting on the 13th, 14th, and 15th of each Islamic lunar month, was a practice of the Prophet, peace be upon him. He said, "Fasting 3 days of every month is like fasting for a lifetime." Bukhari, Muslim. These fasts provide a spiritual reset and reinforce your ability to control desires. The day of Arafah and Ashura. The Prophet highlighted the rewards of fasting on these specific days, which bring immense spiritual and mental benefits. The mental impact of Sunnah fasting. Each voluntary fast is an opportunity to challenge your comfort zone and grow stronger mentally. It reminds you that discipline isn't just for extraordinary times like Ramadan. It's a habit to cultivate year-round. By following the Prophet's example, you can make fasting a regular part of your life, enhancing both your faith and mental strength. Fasting isn't just a spiritual practice. It's also a powerful way to enhance your mental well-being. When practiced regularly, fasting brings numerous mental benefits that help you thrive in both your personal and spiritual life. Reduces impulsive behavior. Fasting trains your mind to pause and think before acting. By consciously refraining from eating, drinking, or indulging in desires, you strengthen your ability to resist temptations in other areas of life. This mental discipline spills over into decision-making, making you more deliberate and thoughtful. Improves emotional regulation. The act of fasting requires patience, especially when you're hungry, tired, or dealing with daily stress. Over time, this practice helps you develop emotional resilience, making it easier to stay calm and composed in challenging situations. The Prophet Muhammad said, "Fasting is a shield. It will protect you from the hellfire and prevent you from sins." Ahmad. Fosters gratitude and contentment. When you fast, you're reminded of the blessings you often take for granted, like food, water, and good health. This awareness fosters gratitude and contentment, shifting your focus from what you lack to what you have. Enhances spiritual mindfulness. Regular fasting aligns your thoughts and actions with your faith. It encourages you to reflect on your intentions, seek Allah's forgiveness, and strive for improvement. This mindfulness creates a sense of purpose and clarity in your daily life. Practical tips for reaping mental benefits. Combine fasting with dhikr and dua for a holistic approach to mental and spiritual strength. Reflect on your progress after each fast, focusing on areas where you've grown in patience and self-control. Start small, such as fasting 1 day a week, and gradually build consistency. By incorporating regular fasting into your routine, you not only fulfill a sunnah, but also unlock the mental clarity, gratitude, and resilience needed to navigate life's challenges with grace and strength. Fasting is more than just a physical act. It's a journey of spiritual and mental transformation. Each fast, whether during Ramadan or beyond, is an opportunity to build resilience, self-control, and a deeper connection with Allah. Remember, no effort is too small in the eyes of Allah. Even fasting for a single day carries immense rewards and brings you closer to Him. Allah reminds us in the Quran, "Indeed, Allah does not allow to be lost the reward of those who do good." Surah At-Tawbah 9:120. If fasting feels challenging at first, take it one step at a time. With consistent effort and sincere intention, you'll not only strengthen your faith, but also develop the mental toughness to overcome life's challenges. Fasting is a gift from Allah, a practice that strengthens your faith, mind, and soul. Start today by making the intention to try voluntary fasting, whether it's on Mondays and Thursdays, the white days, or even just once a week. Reflect on the mental and spiritual benefits it brings and let it become a source of strength in your life. If this video inspired you, share it with others who might benefit. Let's encourage one another to embrace fasting as a lifelong practice. Don't forget to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more Islamic insights. And always remember the words of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Fasting is a shield. Bukhari, Muslim. May Allah guide us all to make fasting a source of barakah, resilience, and closeness to Him.